Welcome back to Arch Zenith. Feel like your walls are closing in. You're not alone. In 2025, with more of us working from home and living in cities, maximizing every square foot isn't just a desire, it's a necessity. But what if I told you that you don't need a sledgehammer or a bigger budget to literally double your space? You just need to know the secrets. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the genius world of small space psychology and design hacks that will make any room feel bigger instantly. We're talking optical illusions, clever storage, and game-changing trends you can implement this weekend. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see your home in a whole new light. Before we grab the paintbrushes and start rearranging furniture, we need to understand the why. Why do some rooms feel like a cozy sanctuary and others feel like a cramped closet? It all comes down to three key psychological principles: light, flow, and illusion. Our brains associate bright, airy spaces with freedom and openness. Dark, cluttered spaces trigger a sense of confinement. Flow is about how easily your eye and your body can move through a room. Obstacles and visual clutter disrupt that flow, making a space feel chaotic and small. And illusion, that's our secret weapon. We can use design tricks to literally fool the eye into perceiving more space than actually exists. The best part, you can apply these principles whether you're in a 300 square foot studio apartment, a compact suburban bedroom, or even a tiny home. These aren't hacks, they're design superpowers. Segment 1. The Light and Bright Revolution. Let's start with the biggest game changer, light. This is the #1 rule for a reason. It's the 2025 trend that never goes out of style. Hack number 1. Embrace the all-white or light base. I'm not saying your home has to look like a sterile laboratory. But painting your walls, ceiling, and even trim in a light neutral color palette, think off-whites, very light grays, or soft beiges, creates a seamless, uninterrupted canvas. Light colors reflect light, while dark colors absorb it. This reflection makes the boundaries of the room seem to fade away. It's the simplest instant expansion trick in the book. Hack number 2. Layer your lighting. Relying on one harsh overhead light creates shadows and corners that feel dead. The 2025 solution: layered lighting. You need 3 types. 1. Ambient. This is your main light source, maybe a ceiling fixture. 2. Task. This is lighting for specific activities, sleek floor lamp for reading, under cabinet lights in the kitchen, a small lamp on a desk. 3. Accent. This is where the magic happens. Use LED strip lights on top of cabinets to float the ceiling, puck lights inside shelving to add depth, or a simple spotlight to highlight art. This creates pools of light that draw the eye around the room, making it feel dynamic and much larger. Hack number 3. Mirror, mirror on the wall and everywhere. This is the oldest trick in the book because it absolutely works. A well-placed mirror doesn't just reflect light, it literally doubles the visual space. But for 2025, think beyond the standard rectangle. Try a leaning full-length mirror, a collection of smaller vintage mirrors for a gallery wall effect, or even mirrored furniture. Place them directly opposite a window to maximize the reflection of both light and the outside view. It's an instant window to another room. Segment 2. Furniture and layout. The architecture of space. Okay, your room is bright and shiny. Now, let's talk about the stuff you put in it. Furniture can be the biggest space hog, or it can be your best friend. Hack number 4. The leggy look. Furniture that sits directly on the floor feels heavy and grounded, visually cutting off the floor space. Instead, choose sofas, armchairs, beds, and tables with exposed legs. This allows light and sightlines to flow underneath them, creating a sense of openness and making your floor space appear continuous and much larger. Hack number 5. Scale is everything. That massive, overstuffed sectional might be comfy, but it's probably swallowing your entire living room. Choose furniture that is scaled appropriately for your space. A love seat instead of a full sofa, an apartment-sized sleeper sofa, a round pedestal table instead of a bulky rectangular one. It's about finding pieces that fit the human body without dominating the room. Hack number 6. Multifunctional magic. This is arguably the hottest trend for small space living in 2025. Every piece of furniture should earn its keep. Think. First, a storage ottoman that works as a coffee table, extra seating, and hides blankets. Second, a bed with massive built-in drawers underneath. Third, a sleek console table that folds out into a dining table for 4. Fourth, nesting tables that can be separated when you need them and tucked away when you don't. This approach reduces clutter and the total number of items in a room, which is a huge win for your sense of space. Hack number 7. Float your furniture. This one feels counterintuitive, but trust me. Instead of pushing all your furniture against the walls, try floating a key piece, like your sofa, in the middle of the room. This creates walking paths behind it, which actually makes the room feel wider and more intentional. It defines zones without building walls. Segment 3. Decluttering and smart storage. The art of invisibility. You can have the best furniture and lighting, but if your space is cluttered, it will always feel small. Clutter is visual noise. It's chaos. Our brain has to process every single item it sees, and that's exhausting. So our goal here is peaceful, calm, and spacious, which means we need a home for everything. Hack number 8. The vertical revolution. Look up. Your walls are acres of unused real estate. Stop thinking just about floor space and start thinking about airspace. Install floating shelves all the way up to the ceiling to draw the eye upward. Use tall, narrow bookcases instead of short, wide units. Mount your TV on the wall to free up the console space below. Use the backs of doors for shoe organizers, jewelry racks, or cleaning supplies. Hack number 9. Concealed storage is king. The goal is to have a place for clutter to hide. Use beautiful baskets, decorative boxes, and storage benches to corral items like remotes, magazines, toys, and throws. When things are out of sight, the room feels instantly calmer and more open. This closed storage approach is a cornerstone of minimalist home design in 2025. Hack number 10. The one in, one out rule. To maintain your new spacious feeling, adopt this simple habit. For every new item you bring into your home, try to let one go. This prevents the slow creep of clutter from undermining all your hard work. It's about being intentional with what you own. Segment 4. Pro hacks and optical illusions. Ready for the next level, ninja grade, small space hacks? These are for those of you who want to truly master your domain. Hack number 11. Stripes for the win. Use rugs with horizontal stripes to make a narrow room feel wider. Use a rug with vertical stripes or a long runner to make a room feel longer. It's a simple optical trick that guides the eye. Hack number 12. Curtains to the ceiling. Never hang your curtain rod just at the top of the window frame. Install it as close to the ceiling as possible and extend the rods wider than the window on each side. When you draw the curtains back, they'll reveal the entire window, making it look massive and flooding the room with light. Hack number 13. Cohesive color story. Using a monochromatic or very limited color palette throughout the entire space helps create a seamless flow from one area to another. When your bedroom, living area, and kitchen share the same color family, there are no visual breaks, making the entire floor plan feel open and connected. And there you have it. From harnessing the power of light to mastering the art of the illusion. You now have a full toolkit of ideas to make your small space feel expansive, intentional, and truly like home. Remember, it's not about the square footage you have. It's about how you use it. You have the power to change how a room feels, starting today. Now I want to hear from you. What was your favorite hack from today's video? What's the biggest challenge you face in your small space? Let's help each other out in the comments below. The community here has some of the best ideas. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content every day on creating a home you love without breaking the bank. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, think big, even in a small space. See you in the next one.